Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, in this video I will tell you how you can convert your normal photo into high quality sketch on your Samsung Galaxy S23Fe or any Samsung phone which has Galaxy AI. Okay, so without further delay, let's get started. Let me go to open gallery, and this is the photo. And let me tell you one more thing guys, this feature was not on Samsung Galaxy S23Fe before, but I think in recent update Samsung provided this feature on Samsung Galaxy S23Fe also. Okay, so for example, this is a normal photo and I want to convert this photo into a sketch. So what you have to do is you can select any photo, or you can take a photo and immediately you can convert into sketches. Okay, so this is the photo. Obviously I will click over here, and there is a little icon, AI icon. You have to click over here. Okay, after that there is a new option, portrait studio. Okay, not this one, sketch, this over here you can see a portrait studio. Click over here and you will find four option. Okay, one is comic, another one is 3D cartoon and watercolor, but I think this one is the best one. Okay, let me select sketch and let me click on generate. Okay, so I think this is the new feature on Samsung Galaxy S23Fe. Before it was not there. So let us see how will the sketches come out. Okay, wait for a few seconds. As you can see the sketches it's, you can see the face. Okay, like it's amazing. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. I think this one looks much better. We can just click on saved copy, and let me show you. This is the sketch and this is the real person. So this is not me, it's my friend. Okay, so I have taken his photo. So you can see guys, so this is how you can guys, you can convert your normal photo into high quality sketch. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and please help your brother to reach 1K subs. So thank you very much for watching guys. Have a great day. Meet you in my next video. Bye.